Efficiently manage your Dropbox photos by renaming them using Cloud File Renamer, CFR. With countless photos stored, organizing them is crucial. CFR simplifies this task, saving time and effort. Follow these steps to rename your Dropbox photos effortlessly. Log in or create an account. Register for CFR, either using Google or Microsoft accounts or email. Log into CFR and connect your Dropbox account. Allow access to Dropbox via the official API for data safety. Load the photos. You want to rename? Select Dropbox folders containing photos and load them into CFR. The renaming rules. Choose it from various renaming rules, such as new name, replace text, remove text, suffix, prefix, numbering, and more. Specify parameters for each rule to customize renaming. Click the Rename button. Review the applied rules and selected photos. Click Rename to initiate the renaming process.